We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some old-fashioned skillet potatoes, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here, as you can see, I have strained out my potatoes. If you're not using your potatoes right away, always soak them in some cool water because they will turn like a grayish color, and that you don't want. Here, I'm blotting my potatoes with some paper towels. This is to remove some of the moisture from the potatoes so that the oil won't splatter. You know, once you put that oil and water together, it may splash on you and pop on you. So this is the reason why I'm blotting it with paper towel. Okay, here I'm adding some of our seasoned salt, or you can use regular salt. It's up to you. Now I'm adding some black pepper. You can use as much or less as you prefer. Even on the salt, is salted as you prefer. Now we're adding our onion powder, and you may also use garlic powder. This is what gives your potatoes so much flavor. I'm gonna mix these up as much as we can. Okay, this is how they look. And so I'm gonna add the chicken oil. As y'all can see, our oil is ready. Since our oil is ready, we're gonna add all our potatoes in and be very careful. If you need to use a slotted spoon to add yours, you do it, because I don't want you to get splattered with oil, okay? Just carefully add them to your skillet. Letting you know that we are cooking these on a medium-high heat. We don't want to cook these too fast. Do not cook these on high heat. Make sure it's medium-high heat because we want our potatoes to take their time and cook. Because we want all those flavors and the oil, you know, to come together. These potatoes are so delicious. Okay, now we're adding in our onions. And like I say, you can chop these in any slices you want. They can be big slices or small slices. Y'all, these is what really give your potatoes flavor. If you don't like the onions, you can use, like I say, garlic powder or just garlic. Just make this recipe yours. Okay, our potatoes have been frying for maybe a couple of minutes now, and now I'm just checking to see if they are turning brown. This is a process you do doing while you're cooking your potatoes. You have to keep stirring them up, because if you don't, the onions will start burning, and so will your potatoes. So make sure you just keep stirring them as you standing there in the kitchen. Just keep going back over there and just stirring them like every minute or every 30 seconds, because we don't want, like I say, we don't want our potatoes to burn. Okay, here I'm continuing to stir because they are getting done, but they don't have the color. But that's what we're looking for, the color. So we're gonna just continue to stir, and just like I say, see, as you can see, some of them have turned brown, but we want all of them to be able to turn brown, okay? Here I'm showing you that some of them has began to turn brown, and as you can see, that potato on the left side, it was sitting there too long. That's why you keep flipping them, because you don't want your potatoes to burn, okay? Here I decided to add some bell peppers, some sliced bell peppers. This is something my mother, she loved her bell peppers. She used to love adding bell peppers to her potatoes. But you make this recipe yours. If you don't want them, you don't have to use them. I'm just showing you how she used to make them. I also decided to add just a little garlic powder to mine. You don't have to do this. I'm just adding more flavor. Here we're stirring in our bell peppers. And we're also continuing stirring up our potatoes and flipping them over. Okay, as you can see, our potatoes are browning well. And so what we're going to do, we're going to continue stirring and flipping over until they all get done. Okay, we're going to continue flipping these over, and then we're going to be back with the last step. Y'all, these are about ready. Okay, y'all, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this color. Look how beautiful brown they are. And so we're going to remove these from our skillet. As you see, I have some paper towel that I have put in my large bowl. And what this does is soak up some of that excess oil that we don't want. Letting y'all know these potatoes can be served with any type of meat. I made hot wings on this day, and I'm going to share some of my photos. Okay, I'm going to continue to remove these potatoes. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!